Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and it's time for the Triple Play Saturday Watch Face review. And yes, it is the weekend, so do me a favor, have fun, be safe, party like it's 1999 if you have to. But listen, let's go ahead, let's get this Triple Play started right with number one. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another Triple Play Saturday. Yes, another weekend. Now, listen, I like number one. Number one is really nice, and I think you're going to like it too. It's called DW13. It's by my man D Wills, and he's raising the bar just a little bit with this watch face. Now, in always on mode, you're going to get what's essential, and that's the time. And you're also going to get battery life and also your month and your date. Now, when the watch face is on, look up at the top at the seconds, right? I thought that was a nice look for a second hand, not a bad look at all. If you come up under, you're going to get your goal completed. I completed it 100%, but I did not make the mark of 20,000, just shy. Look at that. All right, then you get your day down at the bottom. You also get a digital time with the PM stamp. You come down, you're going to get your month and your day. Also, miles walked or ran, your floors climbed, and your heart rate. So you're going to get all your step activity info in this watch face. And I like that they give you shortcuts. Shortcuts are my favorite. And you get the weather, you get your S Health, you get your settings, you also get S Voice. Now, who uses S Voice for real, right? And you get where you can send a text message and or make a phone call. So I thought that was pretty slick. It is interactive, so if you tap on it, you can go in, make a phone call, or check out your text message, whichever one you decide to do. Now, one thing I do like, right? I'm gonna double tap right here on Friday, and I could change the color. Now, I really don't like that black and white. I would leave it right here. I like the colorful look, but this is not a bad looking watch face, guys. What do you think? All right, you all, that's going to be it for number one in the Triple Play Saturday Watch Face review. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please, whatever you do before you leave, hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this and you already haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.